Okay, so they both ate. I washed them off and gave them some water. And now I'm just holding them here in my shirt. You're so cute. I'm gonna take them to a wildlife rehabilitation and just drop them off. I'm scared. I can't take them inside or my cat's gonna mess with them. And they're so little. They don't even have teeth. And they can't fly. I cannot just leave them. I cannot. I don't know what to do. They're so cute. They literally both can fit in my hand. That's how tiny they are. Oh, are you sleepy? Why would no one else? Why would they leave them? People scare me, you know? They really do.